Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Allure beauty box for July. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Allure beauty box for July just arrived. Let's go ahead and dive in and see what is going to be in here. I don't ever check the email that they send when it says something about the subject line is like, let's go over your whole July box or something like that. I always just delete it because I never want to know what's going to be in here until I actually get the box in my hand. So let's go ahead and see what's going to be in here because I'm super excited to see. Allure, we have like a love-hate relationship. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're bad, and sometimes they're just like, meh. So let's see what we're gonna have this time. When you first open it up, that is what it looks like. You get a brochure with this gorgeous lady right there on there. And this is what a little sneak peek is to the inside of the box. So let's go ahead and see what we're going to have. Let me open up the brochure because this will go over some information about the products, and it will only give you the full size pricing. So if you get something that's not a full size, they only give you the full size price, so you don't really know the price of the actual item that you received, but you'll know what it will be for the full size if you wanted to repurchase it. So the first thing that I am pulling out, it says anti-aging, retexting, and resurfacing duo moisturizer. That sounds nice. I love any type of moisturizer, skincare, anything like that. So I'm really excited to see this in here. The full size is a 50 ml. This is a 50 ml. Do you guys want to know how much this is valued for? What are you made out of? Gold? This is a small little bottle, right? How much do you think this is worth? Did anybody get to $132? Yeah, $132. What in the world are you made out of? What in the world? Okay. Able Skincare Retexturing and Resurfacing Duo Moisturizer. $132. Apply in the evening after cleansing and apply your serum. That's all it says. Caution, do a patch test 24 hours before use. Discontinue use if redness or irritation occurs. Do not ingest. Okay. Okay. So you have a really, really, really expensive moisturizer. $132. Like, are you serious? Are you serious? So I'm kind of glad it's in this box because I definitely would never have bought it. So there's the first item right there. Next we have is a Cure Brightening Vitamin C Jelly Mask. This right here says that it is worth $19.99 for the full size product. It doesn't show me what the full size would be considered, but it's definitely not this. The full size for $19.99 is a bigger bottle, and I received a 0.25 fluid ounce, this little guy here, and it says it's a vitamin C jelly mask. What do you do with you? Apply a thin layer to face and let sink in for 10 minutes. Wash away and then pat dry. I don't care for products that I have to put on my face and then wash off later. Not that I'm lazy, it's just I just don't like using those type of products. So I will go ahead and set this in a future giveaway for one of you guys to hopefully enjoy, but you do get a small sample of this vitamin C jelly mask. So there's item number 2. Now we have is the La Roche Posay. This goes in subscription boxes quite often, and I always laugh because it's the smallest little samples I think I've ever seen in my entire life. It comes out of this brand. So you do have this little tiny guy right here. It's definitely not the full size because, again, the full size is going to be in that pretty blue actual like serum bottle, which that is not this. It says it's a B5 serum. The full size for a 30 ml is $29.99, and this is a 3 ml. So this is what you get. This little guy right here. And this guy here says that it's a B5 serum. Apply morning and evening on face and neck alone or under a moisturizer for all skin types. So that's what that says. I'm telling you, this brand, they send the smallest sample sizes that I have ever seen in my entire life. Okay, so now we have something that says Evelyn Rose Luxurious Shower Milk, Cabtree and Evelyn. Is Cabtree and Evelyn the brand? Yes. So the rose is the type of thing. So I'm sure it smells like rose. So I'm not going to even open this. This again is a small sample size because the full size is going to be that big guy right there. And that is valued for $20. So this little 0.5 fluid ounce, I'm not sure the price on. And I will save this for one of you guys because it has the word rose in the product. And yeah, so that's going to go to one of you guys. Next we have is a Winky Lux product. It says a universal brow pencil. I'm very, very picky with my brows and I only use one product for my brows. So I know I will not use this. This is a full-size product, $16. You can find it at Ulta. I will save this for one of you guys to enjoy because again, I am very, very picky with my brow products and I know I will not use this. So I'll go ahead and put this in my future giveaway pile with those other 3 products at least. All of this stuff is going in my future giveaway pile. This one I think I might try to use only because it's $132 worth. But, you know. Then now we have one item left in here. And it is down inside of this bubble wrap. It looks like it's going to be an eyeshadow palette. Let's see. Ciate London, and it says bronzed. Now, if you are a fan of Ciate London, don't take this personally, but me personally, my experience with Ciate London isn't very good. Anytime I've ever tried to use their palettes, it's like splotchy and blotchy and I can't get it to blend correctly. And I just personally don't care for it. So I'm going to just put this in my future giveaway pile for one of you guys to enjoy because I know I won't try to grab it. So here is what it looks like. Again, me personally, I just don't care for this particular brand's formula on my own face. So don't take it personally if you're a huge fan of Ciate London, but this one is just not for me. So we have a Ciate London product right here. And again, that'll go in a future giveaway pile. This is valued for $24. So the only thing I'm going to be keeping through all this is just this. Everything else will go to somebody else. But if you want a quick recap of the Allure beauty box one more time, is the only product I'm keeping is this particular product right here. You have a Ciate London little eyeshadow palette, Winky Lux Eyebrow. The smallest sample right about here. You have this guy here for a vitamin C jelly mask, which sounds amazing. It's just I don't care for that type of product. And then you have a luxurious shower milk. So that is everything that came in the Allure beauty box for July. I'm going to say, to me, this is not a meh. This is a, I don't care for this box. I don't care for this box. I didn't care for this box. All of these will go in a future giveaway and I will try that one moisturizer. Yes, the moisturizer being $132 does pay for my entire box, but I feel like that's extremely overpriced for this product. I don't know. I haven't used it, but that's just what I'm going to say for the size compared to other products that we have received in other boxes or just in general. So that is everything for the Allure beauty box. One thing I do want to let you guys know, I did resubscribe to this one when they were going to change the price and they raised their pricing. It used to be cheaper. Now it's $23 per month. They gave you a one-time chance to renew for a complete year at the old pricing, and that's what I did. My subscription ends in August, so I think I might have one more box left, and I got an email stating that they're going to renew my subscription at the new price, and I personally don't feel that it's worth that. once they raised their pricing, it didn't seem like they actually changed the box and made it better like they were supposed to. Some products, sometimes like I'll get one product that pays for the box, so I'm okay with it. But at the same time, I just don't think that it's worth it. And there's so many other channels doing this box that I feel that I can just go ahead and just leave this one alone. So I canceled my Allure beauty box. So if you are looking forward to seeing this every month, I'm sorry, but this is more of like a disappointing video to me. It seems like every time I'm normally not really liking the box. So I'm going to go ahead and let this one go. Plus, I'm getting so many different like makeup products and skincare products and others that I'm just getting so overwhelmed that I'm trying to eliminate multiple type of the same type of box and only bring like a few other things. And I'm trying to cut down. I've been trying to cut down. I'm trying not to bring anything and everything. I say no to so many different companies, or I just ignore so many different companies because either so many other people are already doing it, or I just don't feel that it's worth my time or your time. So again, I'm very, very picky with the boxes that I do bring to my channel. And this is one that I'm ready to give up now. I think I started this one like 3 years ago. So I mean, it's bittersweet, but since they're not actually fulfilling their end of the deal and giving better products, I just feel that I'm just I don't need a fox with that one no more. So I did cancel. So this box, and I guess I will have like one more maybe next month. Since it says it renews in August, I don't know if this was just my last box or if I get one more next month. But after that, you will not see Allure on my channel, at least for now. I don't know if later, if they get their act together and they start changing anything, if I'll resubscribe or not. I'm not quite sure. If you guys end up telling me you want to see it again, I might resubscribe for you guys. But for right now, my decision is to go ahead and let it go. Let it go. And that is that. If you do want to know about Allure Beauty, they are $23 a month, and you are supposed to get 6+ Allure approved makeup and skincare picks delivered to your door with a $100 value or more. You're supposed to get at least 3 full-size products. So what were the full-size products we got today? We got the one overpriced skincare product. We got the eyeshadow palette, and then the Winky Lux eyebrow product. So there's your 3 full-size products for this particular month. Oh, for this guy, it does say your box contains either Crabtree and Evelyn spiced honey bath syrup or Evelyn Rose luxurious milk shower milk. So the other one I might have actually tried because it didn't say anything about rose, but there's 2 different products here that you would have received, 2 different variations of that one particular product. And if you wanted to see the Winky Lux, that's what the product looks like there. So there is that. So that is everything that I have to show for the Allure 2021 beauty box. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this particular box? Do you feel like me and you just feel like they're really not holding up their end of the bargain? Did you cancel, or have you subscribed recently? Let me know all the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.